Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about making a table in Microsoft Excel. As before, we've made a table of trigonometries, we've put some values of sine, cosine, and tangent. Here, it is very easy to design a table. First of all, you have to select these cells for every rows and columns. Then, click on Table icon, the Create Table window appears. It tells you on which data you have to construct a table. The dollar signs appear for every row and column of the cell indicate the reference when the formula is moved or copied to other cells. The checkbox is provided including headers, one column at a time. Once you're ready, when the input data is set, click OK. Then, the table is now constructed. You can see the column number appears, known for the headers. You can change the color styles for the table in any form, can be light or medium or dark. Tables have been widely used in school and college grading, probability, sales, amount purchases, etc. So, this video is about making a table in Microsoft Excel. Like, comment, and subscribe now.